Hello, everyone, and welcome to a very special episode of Fluento, Everyday English for Real Life. I am Anna, and I am so happy to be here with you today.
And I'm David. Hi, Anna. It is a beautiful day. The sun is shining, and I am feeling fantastic and ready to help our Fluento community. I have my coffee, my brain is awake, and I am excited for our big topic.
I am excited too, David. Today, we are talking about something that is like a key to a new world. We are talking about how to start a conversation anywhere.
That is a huge topic. Sometimes starting is the hardest part. Your brain feels locked, the words disappear, and you feel stuck.
Exactly. But today, we will give you the keys to unlock your English voice. We will look at phrases for the bus stop, parties, and new classes. But before we dive into these secrets, we have our small request.
Yes, if you are enjoying Fluento and want to support us, please take 1 second to click the like button and subscribe to our channel.
And please share this episode with a friend who is also learning. Sharing is caring. Your support helps us make more lessons for you.
Anna, before we learn the phrases, we need to talk about how we think. In our head, we have a mindset.
That's right, David. Your mindset is just your feelings and ideas about something. For many learners, starting a conversation is scary because they have a stuck mindset.
I know that feeling. The stuck mindset says, I'm bad at this, I will never learn, or I will make a mistake and people will laugh. These are sad thoughts that make you want to stop.
We want to change that to a growing mindset. A growing mindset is like a plant that starts small and grows bigger every day. It doesn't say, I am bad, it says, I am learning this.
I love that. It feels hopeful. When you have a growing mindset, you realize that this is new and it is hard, but you can try.
And to help with this, we use our magic word, yet.
Ah, the magic word, Y-E-T. It means not now, but maybe later.
Exactly. If your brain says, I cannot start a conversation, just add the magic word. I cannot start a conversation yet.
Wow, that feels so different. It opens the door for the future. It changes a stuck thought into a growing thought. But Anna, I am still afraid of making a mistake when I say hello to a new person. I feel stupid or shy.
David, you must remember mistakes are your friends. Think about a baby, like my little cousin Mia, learning to walk. She stands up and boom, she falls down.
Do you say, Mia, you are stupid, stop trying?
Never. We say, good job, Mia, try again. She falls because she's learning. A mistake in English is not bad, it is just valuable information for your brain.
So when I use the wrong word, my brain learns, oh, that was not right. Let's try a new way. I'm just like baby Mia.
Exactly. Trying is the most important part. Fluency comes after the mistakes, not before. So be brave and make friends with your mistakes.
Okay, so my mindset is growing and I am brave, but a whole conversation feels like a tall mountain and I am at the bottom.
So don't look at the top of the mountain. Just look at your feet. Look at the next small step.
This reminds me of the story of the man building the big wall. He looked at the empty space and felt sad because the wall was too much work.
But his wise friend said, do not try to build a wall today, just lay one brick perfectly.
And the next day, he laid one more brick, and soon he had a beautiful wall.
That is our secret. A conversation is not a wall. One hello is a brick. One comment about the weather is a brick. If you lay one brick every day, you will build a beautiful English house.
Let's start laying bricks. Scenario 1, the bus stop. This is the home of small talk.
Small talk is a friendly little chat to make a connection. It's not about serious topics, it's just light conversation to break the ice.
What's the best way to break the ice?
The most famous starter in English, the weather. Everyone can see the weather, so it's a safe topic.
If the sun is out, I can say, it's a beautiful day today, isn't it?
And I can answer, yes, it is. It's much better than yesterday.
What if it's raining and cold?
Then people love to complain together. You can say, I can't believe this rain, or it's so cold today, brr.
It's like a little bridge to talk to people you don't know. What else can I say at a bus stop?
You can make a simple observation about the situation. For example, if the bus is not coming, you can say, this line is getting long, isn't it?
That's perfect. It's not complaining, it's just a friendly comment.
Now, scenario 2, a party or social event. Here, we want to be friendly and make a connection.
I get nervous at parties. I don't know what to say after a hello.
A powerful tool for parties is the compliment. A compliment is when you say something nice about a person. It makes them feel good and happy.
Oh, I like that. I can say, I like your shirt, or your bag is very nice.
Exactly. And if someone gives you a compliment, you just smile and say, thank you so much. It is a very positive way to start.
What comes after the compliment?
You can ask about the event. Are you enjoying the party? Or do you like the music?
And then we can talk about hobbies. People love talking about what they do for fun.
You can ask, what do you do in your free time? Or do you have any hobbies?
I can share my hobby too. I can say, I play the guitar, or I like to read adventure stories.
This makes the conversation flow. You share a little, then you ask a little.
Finally, scenario 3, a new class or school. This can feel more formal.
For this, we have a clear plan called the present, past, future model. It helps you tell your story in a professional way.
Tell me the plan.
First, the present. Say your name and what you do now. Hi, my name is Anna, and I am a student here.
Then, the past. What did you do before? Before this, I worked in an office, or I studied history.
And finally, the future. What are your goals? In the future, I want to travel the world, or I want to help animals.
That is so clear. It tells a whole story in just a few sentences.
And to make it even better, you can add a fun fact. A fun fact makes you memorable.
Like, I have a cat with 3 colors, or I once met a famous singer.
Exactly. It makes you feel real and friendly to your new classmates.
Anna, at Fluento, we always say that politeness is key.
It really is, David. Using polite words makes you sound kind and respectful.
We have the big 4. Please, thank you, excuse me, and sorry.
Use please when you ask for something. It is a magic word that makes requests nice.
Use thank you when someone helps you. It can make someone's day.
Use excuse me to get someone's attention, or if you accidentally bump into them.
And use sorry if you make a small mistake. Being honest and saying I'm sorry is very professional.
To be good at starting conversations, you must move from passive listening to active practice.
How do I practice if I am alone?
Talk to yourself. Describe your room or narrate your day. I am making coffee now, or the lamp is on.
You can also use the shadowing technique.
Yes, listen to a podcast and repeat what the speaker says at the same time. It trains your mouth muscles and your ears.
And don't learn single words, learn chunks.
Chunks are groups of words, like, you know what I mean, or that's a good point. They're like tools that are ready to use. You don't have to build the sentence, you just say the chunk.
We have covered so much today. Let's review our key chunks for starting conversations. Nice weather today, isn't it? For breaking the ice with the weather. I like your shirt, bag, or hat, to give a friendly compliment. Are you enjoying the party, class, to find a common interest? Nice to meet you, the classic phrase when learning a name. What about you? To be polite and keep the conversation going. One brick at a time, our strategy for big goals. Not yet, our magic word for hope.
Now, we have a question for our amazing Fluento community. Where are you going to lay your one brick of conversation this week?
Will you talk about the weather at the bus stop or give a compliment at a party? Please leave a comment below.
Writing one comment in English is a perfect brick for today. We love reading your stories and seeing you practice. Thank you so much for joining us for this masterclass. Remember, your voice is a bridge to other people.
Don't wait to be perfect. Just start speaking and your brain will follow. Keep practicing and keep smiling.
See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, everyone.